It is me again, guys. This is what happens when I'm sick and I'm online. You're going to want to go to Five Below, go to their website, do an online pickup, order one, go get one. They're $5. These little teeny tinies, I've gotten their little play sets before. I think I have like a bakery one and I think a kitchen one. They are adorable. And I found this little holiday one and I took the tape off because I'm doing this with one hand, so hopefully I can get it out of here. It's got a cute little background. Let me see here. Let's see if it'll come out. So it's got this cute little background that you can, use if you want to. It's super cute. Cute little background there. But oh my goodness, you guys, I should have bought another one, but I didn't. Let me take this plastic off of it. I may have to get another. I just can't spend any more money. So cute. Hold on. Okay, there we go. All right. So this is everything that you get in the set. You get this cute little stocking. And it has, can you see it? Okay, there we go. Cute little stocking, and it does have a little hole in it, so that's cute. Then you get a wreath, and you get, here it is. You get a candy cane, which is adorable. I wish I could get my battery's almost dead, so my flash isn't working. So I hope the lighting is okay. You get a cute little candy cane. You get a little drink. And sorry guys, I'm sick. If you didn't see my previous video, I'm still sick. So you get some little cookies. You get I think this is a Yule log, isn't it? Or it's not a fruit cake, is it? I think this is a Yule log. Pretty sure that's a Yule log. You get this cute, yeah, so you're going to want to get two of these. You get this cute little, focus now, focus. Get this cute little cupcake. I'm trying to get it, there it goes. Get the cupcake. You get another, maybe if I move this up, it'll focus on this stuff. There we go. Get another little drink, and you can always take this off and turn it in, put a little label on there or whatever. You get, what is this? Two little gingerbread people, a boy and a girl. Then you get, a letter for Santa. Or a letter, is it for Santa? Yeah, for Santa. That is adorable. And then oh my goodness, this is so cute. You get a little gingerbread house. Stinking cute is, oh my goodness. You definitely want to go and get one of these. Like I said, I would order it online. I've been trying to order one all day yesterday. It kept saying that it was out of stock, or it was in stock, but then they would cancel my order. So that either means they just didn't want to go look for it, or they were in the back, they were in the back and they didn't want to go look for them, or something like that. So, okay, so then you get some hot chocolate with marshmallows in it. Super cute. You get, I believe, an ornament, which you can obviously paint, make it into whatever color you want. You get a little box of peppermint bark. You get a little, I'm trying to keep my camera down here. Then you get a little snowman. I guess it's like a little figurine, maybe. And you get, I think these are two little cookies. You get this tin. They were on top of here, so I'm assuming they go like in here, as a little cookie tin. And it has a little, did I drop one? Oh, it's in there. So it has like the little gingerbread. Oh, so you can put like you can put everything in there, I guess. Everything, all the little cookies and cupcakes would have fit in there perfectly. And I don't know, is this like a hot cocoa bomb or something? Or is this an ornament? I can't. I think it's an ornament. Another ornament. So yeah, this is everything that you get in the set, which is super cute for $5. And I wish I had, let me see, hold on. I might have, keep it on here so you can see all the cute little stuff. I have a little doll, hold on a second, from the Dollar Tree, so you can kind of have an idea. So if you've seen these dolls from the Dollar Tree, then you know how big they are. Definitely smaller than a Barbie, but it's perfect for her. I think it's like the perfect size for her. The little cups are a good size, in comparison to her little stockings. I think it's good. I don't know. I think these are, what, about 6 inches, maybe one, two, three, about 5 inches. So 5 inch doll. So that's what these, I think personally, these would work for. Would be like a little, see, like there's the little peppermint. So I think that would work perfectly for her. And I put these in my 1/12 scale dollhouses. So I would say that these work for a 1/12 scale dollhouse. And again, this is what you're looking for. It is at Five Below. So definitely go check them out. I think I'm going to order another one so that I can have, extras of all of these so I can put them in more than one house. This is so stinking cute. Like little peppermint bark tin. This is so cute, guys. I can't even with how cute it is. And then, like, once you're done with everything, pretty much, I think all the little stuff will fit in here. So you can store it away right after Christmas. Everything just kind of goes back. Most of it. I don't think the bark and that will go in there, but the cookies will all fit in there. So yeah, you have a little storage container. But like I said, it goes with these little dolls perfectly. So definitely go to Five Below, guys. That's it for today. See you guys later. Until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.